Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified every time a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment your suggestions. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Elegear's Arc Chill Stretch Fabric Cooling Comforter. I would like to thank Elegear for sending this over to me. This comforter uses Japanese Arc Chill Cool technology to absorb the body heat and reduce skin temperature by 2 to 5 degrees Celsius instantly. This comforter has a Qmax greater than 0.45, whereas a regular comforter has a Qmax of 0.2. When you touch the comforter, you feel it's quite cold than a regular comforter. The material of this comforter is 90% nylon and 10% spandex. This comforter comes in two sizes, queen as well as twin. It also has color options. I think this is a great option for summers. Comparing it to a regular comforter that I own, this blanket is thin but has a little weight to it. It feels like it's hugging you. If you're interested in buying this product, I have a code which can get you 10% off on this product mentioned in the description box below. Please do check it out.